In today's data-driven world, high-performing systems are always on and are continuously generating invaluable data. They require scalable and agile data processing platforms to capture, manage, and analyze the information at lightning speed and respond to opportunities when it matters most. Legacy ETL, ELT, and EDW platforms are not able to meet the varying demands of today's enterprise. Introducing Lyftron, your cloud-first modern data hub platform that lets you lift, shift, and analyze any data into the cloud in a few clicks and drive real-time operational intelligence in minutes, not weeks or months. This robust data management platform eliminates traditional ETL, ELT, and EDW bottlenecks with automatic data pipeline and makes data instantly accessible to BI user with modern cloud compute of Spark and Snowflake. Lyftron connectors automatically process high velocity of data on the go and convert any source into relational format and lets you analyze with ANSI SQL instantly. This is why the 21st century enterprises trust Lyftron to streamline their big data risks, process IoT data for valuable experiences, and create new data-driven opportunities. So, don't wait anymore. Make a paradigm shift and adopt Lyftron Modern Data Pipeline. Lyftron, lifting your modernization dreams. For more details, email us at hello@lyftron.com or call right now at 855-LYFTRON and request your no obligation free 1-month trial.